If you're encountering the Cloud Save Error 2026 in GTA 5, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can fix the error. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect your network or restart your router if necessary. A poor connection can lead to cloud save issues. Step 5. Update the game. Make sure that your GTA 5 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include fixes for known issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save Error 2026 in GTA 5. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.